Hi, I'm Kelly Goodsell, President of Viking Plastics. As we approach 2020, we want to say thank you to our customers, suppliers, employees, friends, and family for making 2019 a great year. 2019 truly was an awesome year. We expanded to Mexico with our partnership with ISGO Manufacturing. We received 2 outstanding quality awards from Toyota Bashuko and General Motors. We expanded our capacity, our manufacturing footprint, and most importantly, invested in our employees. As we reflect on 2019, we could only do this with our culture of continuous improvement and our employees buying into making our product and our customer service better every day. I'd like to wish you and your families a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holiday season. From the Viking Plastics team, thank you for all your support in 2019, and here's to a great 2020 for all of us.